Hello guys, so basically by the previous videos we have already set up our landing page, and in this video what we'll be doing is building an email list and then connecting it with the respective landing page. That is the small part, but majorly we'll be creating the email autoresponder sequence. That means at the moment someone enters their email on the landing page, the email is added to the list, and the system automatically starts sending them on immediate basis one email, and then on day one the second email, day two or day three, the way we would like to set at the gap of number of days or number of hours we would want the system to send them on automatic basis the email. So basically this is the sequence which will actually generate money for us. Why? Because on immediate basis we send them the free item that we already promised, and then day one, day two, day three we kind of build up a relationship with the person so that they get to know us, like somehow they get value from us, so eventually they trust us. That is the major part of any of the sales cycle. And then day 5, day 6 we send them the respective affiliate offer. So basically the affiliate stuff we'll be talking into the next video, how do we embed and sign up for the respective affiliate thing. But in this particular video we'll be specifically setting up our auto email sequences. So let me just jump onto my desktop, and you have to do it parallelly and ensure that before you're watching this video you already have built your landing page with the previous video. If you haven't, go back to the previous video and complete your landing page. So let's jump on to creating the email autoresponder sequences. Hey guys, so basically this is a login screen once you have logged into your respective GetResponse account. Now right now, since we have already built our landing page, the moment someone enters their email, we want it to be added to our email list. So by default there is already an email list that has been created, and I created another email list like some time back. But like, let's say for this particular landing page we want a unique list so that we can recognize, okay, every email that has been added in this particular list that has come from the landing page. So basically if I write a unique name of the list, okay, I can say, okay, email marketing 2. I mean, I've just okay, we are not supposed to enter the caps lock. So this is the new email that I've added. So now I want this particular email list, like before I create the autoresponder email sequence, let me just go to my respective landing page. I click on menu, I go to my landing pages. So this is my second, like the one that we created in the previous video. Now let us just hover onto these three dots and click on edit settings. Once you edit settings, like a lot of things are already out there. Like this is the landing page URL. You can even change it to anything that you want. That will be .gra.com. So right now it is saying like choose your list. By default it has chosen like the default email list. In this case we would like to choose the new email list. So basically this means that particular landing page, whoever enters the email will definitely have to enter the respective email will be added in this particular email list. That's it. I just do publish. So this particular part is already done. My landing page is connected to my respective list. So now anyone who enters their email onto my respective landing page will be added to this particular email list. Like if I just show you a practical example of it, just to get you confirmed, this is the unique URL of the landing page. So I have the email, get your free Facebook marketing course. I enter abcdtest@gmail.com. I click on get my FB course. Okay, this is how it is, already done. Now let us go and check our respective emails. Like if you go out there and we just refresh it, right now it's not added. It will take like a couple of minutes and it will be added into our respective contact list. So there you go. This has been added, but it's still unconfirmed. That means because the verification has been turned on, and this is ideal for the like any of the email marketing, we want the consent of someone who has entered the email. So basically, an email will be sent to this particular email that the user has entered, that do you confirm to be added to this particular list. And definitely, because we are giving away the respective free item, they will go and confirm their email, and once they have confirmed, that means they have authorized us to send them the emails for the future. So once they have authorized us, next thing is the auto email sequence that we want to send to the respective list. So the auto email sequence, how do we set up? You just have to click over here and click show autoresponders. I click on create autoresponders. I write the name email marketing tutu. For which list? For this particular list. So this is the first the first email that we are setting. So basically I choose day 0. We want to send an immediate email, and basically on all days it should be for this particular list. This is the name on day 0. So this is the first email that we want to send them. So that is why I've chosen the immediate basis. So if you want to send on the day 1 or day 2, you just write over here day 2. So this is how it goes. So this is the first email I've set. Then to create the email, all I have to do is just click on create the respective new email. I write the message name email 1. Let us just write it that way, and then we write congrats, here is your FB course. So basically, as we promised them, okay, that we want to send them the free FB course. Right now, the from email address from which it is supposed to be sent is chosen as I have given, but you can choose your own, like even the professional emails if you want. I click on next step, and then I construct my respective email that I want to send them. So again, I can like just select any of the existing template. Let me just choose it right from the scratch. So I just choose this one column stuff, this particular template I want to build the email on, or you can even choose as just as a plain text. Let me just choose it this way. I remove all that. All right, congrats, here is the link to download your respective FB course, and then I paste them the respective link. Now I'll tell you where do you get all these free items that you can give, and quality items as well, and that will be covered in the next video. So basically next video will be covering both the affiliate offers, how do you get the affiliate offers, as well as how do you get these free stuffs that you can get, like the private label rights of these stuffs that you can even sell them, or you can just give away to build your email list. I click on next step, my email is ready. So that's it. We have created the first email sequence on day 0. On immediate basis, this particular email should be sent that contains the list that I've set up. So I just click on save and publish. So that's it, guys. This is my first email already being set up. So the moment anyone is added to this particular email list from anyways, so right now, like we have connected via the respective landing page, once people enter their email address on the landing page, they are added to the respective email list. So immediately the autoresponder email is triggered. So it checks, okay, day 0, immediately the email needs to be sent, then definitely it will be sent right away to the respective person. Now we want to set, like, to build the relationship, maybe we want to set on the day 1 some sort of free report or free stuff, some valuable your own background story, day 2, and then day 4, and then similarly based on day 5 or day 6 we send them the respective clickbank offer, that is the affiliate offer that we'll be talking about in the next video. But in this video, let me just set up email marketing 22. I can write just like email 6. What is the list? Obviously email marketing 22 is the list, and then I create the new email. I write in the subject coolest. I mean, the subject should be in such a catchy way that people are triggered to open it, because if they do not open it, how would they read your respective offers? So we can write something like coolest social media marketing course ready for you. So that is on the you check on the ClickBank what sort of offer that you're promoting. So this may be one of the offers, because the person was interested into the Facebook, so I'm providing them like some sort of a unique and a big kind of all the social media contain. So I write like, this is the coolest thing I have seen for my internet marketing of my business. Watch how your complete social media marketing is handled here. So then I post in my affiliate link, and basically the affiliate link is the unique link that we'll be talking in the next video that we get from the respective affiliate sites like ClickBank. So basically once they click onto this particular link, and then they are taken to the respective sales page, they are being convinced to opt in and then buy the respective thing for so many things that they get. And if they buy it, we get a percentage of commission. So just imagine getting thousands and thousands of people through this cycle. So even if 10% of the people buy, like we are talking about $60, $70, $100, sometimes $200 of profit. So thousands and thousands of people we sent in, we get sales. So this becomes your money making machine. That is the reason I said that. So basically by the next video you'll be cleared like how your respective affiliate offers work. So this is my day 6 email. So as I told you, like day 2, day 4, day 5, all these emails also you can set parallelly. So that's it guys. I mean, my email sequences have already been set up. Like if I just show my list right now, number of contacts 0 because it's not yet confirmed. Let me just see the autoresponder. As you can see, this is the first autoresponder I've set. On day 0 it should send, and then on day 6, from the day the person signs in, for example, like the person signs in on Sunday, so on Sunday itself the day 0 email will be sent, and then 6 days later on the Saturday this particular email will be sent. So each of the person is gone through the same cycle of the sales. So basically building the relation, and then giving them the value, building the authority, building the trust with the emails, and then sending them the respective sales offer, a really cool sales offer. Like we'll be able to find it in the next video. So that's it guys, your list is connected. So basically all these things are set up. All you have to do is just send the traffic to your respective landing page. Once they enter the email, they'll be added to respective list. Once they added to respective list, this particular system will automatically send them the emails that we have preset, and it will happen with thousands and thousands of people. Whoever we send, whoever clicks on our respective website and enters their email address. So this is how all the businesses work. So in the next video we'll be discovering within this particular email that we'll writing the affiliate offer, how do we sign up for the affiliate offer, as well as this particular email we planned them for sending some of the free stuffs like Facebook marketing course. So how do you get like thousands of these stuffs and for the lifetime access? So next video I'll be specifically covering this particular part, and like you will be pretty much done with the complete email marketing campaign. And then next to next video would be how do you generate the traffic for the respective landing page. So guys, I hope you like this particular video. Ensure that you complete all these steps before moving on to the next video. So let's jump on to the next video of the training, that is signing up for the affiliate offer as well as the private label rights.